I just made my entry now. Okay, so I just want to show you the trades I've done so far, right? Sometimes people usually think probably maybe what you're doing, you are hiding stuff and stuff like that. Majority of time, people always think that. Okay, so this was trades from yesterday. I don't want to show you plenty trades, okay, too many trades. I don't want to show you too many trades. I just want to show you the consistency in the signal. Okay, it's something you can repeat on a daily basis. It is not much, but you get there. By the time you start accumulating it, you'll get there. Now, this was 16, right? I did 15, so this is 16, and this is 17. So these are the trades I've done today now. Okay, meaning I've used $5 to make $10. I mean $5 to make $2. That's 50 cents, $1, another $1. That's $2. That's roughly like 40%. Normally, I'm okay with just 2. But I actually wanted to record before, but I've forgotten. So I said, oh, let me wait and see if I can still record. Now, this is to prove to you that if you can stick to the rule. First, you see, the challenge I have with majority of people is that you yourself know the problem, that you are the problem. You lack ability to stick and follow instructions. Now, if you know you are that type, you lack ability to follow instructions. You know yourself that even if they force you, you will not do. Don't bother trading, okay? Go for robots. Let something else do it for you. Because you are going to still repeat the same mistake you have been making. Now, the mistake a lot of people make is that they don't treat this thing as a business. I treat it as a business. It's a business for me. And I don't have to, once I'm done like this now, I don't have to come back here again and start doing anything. I'm done for the day, I'm done. If I'm going to be using $5 to make $2 or $1, let's even say $5 to make $1, if I can do it consistently for the next 10, 20 days or 30 days, my brother, what's stopping me from consistently doing the same thing? So that's why you see me repeating and telling you the same. It's the same thing you're going to be repeating. You're going to be looking for signal, placing your trade, whatever. That's why I'm automating the whole thing for myself. It's very simple. Start small. You are seeing me showing you with small. It starts small. It's to let you know you can start with as low as $2, $3, $1 safe. You don't have to start big. You don't have to aim big. You can grow into the profit level or ratio you want. But start small first. God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Now you can visit my website on the screen to see the same signal. But if you want to trade it, I recommend you make your entry very fast. Very fast. You have to be very timely, no delay, nothing. Once you do that, you'll get the same result. God bless you. I'll see you in another video.